friends, it's Christy. Welcome back to my channel. Today I've got another haul video for you. These are items that I picked up from the latest Lawn Fawn release. So I thought I would just share them with you before I repackage and reorganize everything into my stamp pockets so you can just see how it looks in the packaging. I'm going to set this off to the side and go through everything one by one. You will see a couple of items that are not in packaging, and they were sent to me from the team for being on the Lawn Fanatics design team. So that was really amazing, and I'm so grateful for their generosity. So the first thing that I got was this little freebie stamp. This one was sent to me with a note from Ivy. So thank you so much, Ivy, and it says "I like you," which is really cute in a nice size font. I've never had this one before, so that's really awesome. The next thing I got was the freebie stamp set that they were offering. I believe it was free with a $60 purchase. I can't remember what the minimum was, but anyway, this one's called Better Days, and you've got this cute little bunny that's holding a heart, and then you've got some really great sentiments. I love this sending big hugs, and then the hugs can be colored in if you want to. Really, really cute. So I think this one was only exclusive as that freebie. I don't think it's available for purchase. The next set that I got, I was the most excited about. This one is the one that I was really looking forward to most of all. And it is called Bubbles of Joy, and it features these adorable mice that we all love from several different Lawn Fawn sets. They've made a reappearance with their little bubbles and bubble wands and some really fun sentiments. So I just love these little mice. This little guy is so adorable, super, super cute. And I'm really excited to play with this one. I did also get the matching dies. To go along with that, I also have the Scripty Bubble Sentiments. I'll just put that on a piece of white cardstock so you can see it a little bit better. So this one coordinates very well with the Bubbles of Joy. So you've got another little mouse down here, and they can be kind of blowing the bubble words to go along with the little other sentiments and bubbles that are in this set. So I thought those were really fun. I love how well they work together. Just gives you that many more options. So I did get that, and then I also got the matching dies to go along with that one. And also in keeping with that, they were on a theme here. I got the bubble border. So this one is just really fun. You've got the die cut here, and then you've also got like the line die cut. So whichever way you want to do it, you know, you have options. So there's that. The next set I got was the Tiny Friends. It features these adorable, just super cute, tiny people, and I love especially the dog and cat. They're just really, really fun. These go great with the car critters. You can put them in the vehicle. They also would go really well with the, oh, I can't think of the name of it right now, but it's the set with the roller coaster where all of the images are kind of smaller scale. There's a lot of different sets that this would go with, so I just thought that would be fun to have, all those cute little people. And then I did get the matching dies to go along with them. The next set that I got was the Magic Messages. I just really liked these sentiments in the circular orientation. You've got a couple little paper airplanes as well, and some trails, and some additional hearts and a flower. Just really nice. I love the different style of font. And I got the matching dies with that. And this one also goes really well with the sunburst backdrop. So I went ahead and got that. You can put these in the center of the sun. This also works for the Magic Iris. It's the right size for that. So there's a lot of options with these as well. I really love how well everything coordinates with this release. So another thing that I got, which is actually not new, but it's something I had been wanting for a long time. Excuse me, I'm losing my voice. And it is the Happy Village. I had been trying to get my hands on this for a really long time, and for whatever reason, every time I went to order it, it was out of stock. But I thought that also went really well with the Tiny Friends. They're just the perfect size for little scenes with these images. So I went ahead and grabbed those, even though it wasn't part of the new release. And then I also got, this is new, this is the Slimline Grassy Hillside borders. So these are the grass for the Slimline cards. So I didn't have anything that was quite long enough for scenes for the Slimline orientation, and I love making scene cards. So I was really excited to see those, and I thought that would be just perfect to have on hand. It's one of those basics that you can't go wrong with. So I went ahead and grabbed that. And then trying to look up the name really quick. Sorry, this one's not in packaging either. This is the Build a Basket Easter. So it comes with all of these little dies that work together to make a really cute little Easter basket with the little crosshatch kind of weave pattern in there. It makes a bow. There's some grass that can stick out. You've got an Easter bunny and some eggs, some florals. Just really, really fun idea. So I thought that was really fun when I saw that in my package. And then the last thing that I got was the Perfectly Plaid Remix 6x6. I'm sure you knew I was going to get that. This one just has some really beautiful plaid patterns in there. This one is my favorite. I'm really glad that they re-released this one because I really, really loved that pattern when it was in the first pad. This one is also really pretty. But I just love plaids anyway in general, so I was really excited to use these. Plaids are so easy to use, and they are in such really pretty springtime colors, so I just can't wait to start using those again. So that was everything. This one was a really quick little haul for me, but I thought that you guys might be excited to see these products. I know a lot of you guys are huge Lawn Fawn lovers like I am, so let me know down in the comments which products you are most excited to see me use on this channel, and maybe I can use them sooner rather than later. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you all are having an amazing day. We are having a nice sunny day here with almost 60-degree weather, so it's a nice change. We still have snow piled in places, but I'm really glad for the sunshine. So thank you guys. I hope you're having a great day too, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.